Every businessman know that if you are living in city, you have become very ill, and when you become very ill, I'll provide cameras not going to on. Sometimes now you have to start. As my point, again I would like to tell that everything's going to develop just because of village, not because of cities. Because village provide you food, village provide you everything whatever you need, but city do not provide anything else. They provide only medicines, and when the medicine provide, every people go in city and take different kind of things there. They become ill, and then the city provide you medicines only. And no one facility is available in the city. Every facility available only in the village. Go and check out now.
Sir, villager is providing only food, not medicines and not.
What she's telling? She have no idea about ancient time. You know, last when you check out.
This time not.
Listen. Nowadays, many of things available in village. Whatever the disease is not going to be right, they are like not the only anyone going to become good. They comes in village, they take their ears and they believe ourselves, and their forefathers they help them, and then after they become very fresh people. I listen many of people who went in the city for earning the money, but after some time they become more ill and come back at village and become also correct. Our good person.
Living city or village.
It's not. I'm living village area. You know. I'm living in village areas. I'm living in village. That's why I'm supporting the village area.
Why you are coming in city? You are living in village now.
What are you talking? It is village. It is city. It is village. What are you talking? Here is a field available. You can go check out outside. What I will get it from there?
One day I am going to city. There are a lot of gardens in city, and one person came. One person going in gardens, and there is lot of the flowers, and there is lot of the trees. So how can you see it? Only villagers is farmer, not cities are not farmers.
Here the people are working at professional level. Do not want to do better works like go check out. Go in city area and say when they come in the village and they apply the crops here, they can't do the works. They only can wear a suit and tie and then after visit here and there. Understood? How you can say it is not correct point? Tell an it's a good point which is right.
Sir, cities available in city and city is a saves your time, but village not saves your time, and village is not we work village long time as well.
If anyone do any work, it take a long time.
Yes, sir. So how can you say?
How is saying? If you are doing farming, you want to आज crop लगा कल crop तैयार ऐसा नहीं होना. It's nothing happening. Like what kind of? Every player go for studying. Everyone want to study. Everyone have education. Everyone have knowledge about everything.
Study के लिए बच्चे study के लिए तरह की जाते हैं.
No. Check out.
City is but I'm not available in the villages in the.
You know, whatever the things available in city, it's not one kind of city. It's a center of the like area.
No, sir.
Center of area. That's why the government provide their everything. That's why. What?
Center जाती है.
She is not talking about the right point. Alright. आप talking about center मतलब एक केंद्र मतलब वो केंद्र है जो हमें सिटी मानते हैं. It's one kind of केंद्र. Means the people can go easily there. That's why the government provide every facility at that place. Because if government provide like one kind of hospital in place area, if anyone want to go there, they can get one kind of Dunlop etc. For example, old kind of rickshaw etc. The people when the people want to reach in hospital, रास्ते में भगवान पास पहुंच जाएगा. That's why the government take a centers and there they will provide a government like a hospital, like a colleges, विश्वविद्यालय etc. How you can say a very biggest builders, construction workers, and many of businessmen comes from the village areas. What? Who? Like lot of people, you know Avan Sundar Pichai. You know name of Sundar Pichai, who of CEO. He also comes from the like normal kind of areas. You know about the dear sir. He also comes at the normal kind of areas. You know about like when people take an interview of IAS officer. He also comes from. They also comes from village areas. So meaning of that, the people most of who dedicated, who want to do something better, they also comes from village area. That's why I also come from village area for teaching English language. Understood? So village is very better compared to city.
No.
Let's switch that topic. Let's have anyone else. ये बगल पड़ोसी को दो. हाँ. अरे क्या बात करते हो? In village area, go and check out. If a one boy become around 20 and 21st, they start doing their own job, own work. But go and check out in city area. The people become 25 and 30 years. They don't want to do any single works there. It depend on their parents. The parents provide me, then after I believe. But go in village area, check out. The student when they become 20 and 21st, they start doing the jobs. They depend on ourselves for doing anything else. First, listen the points.
Sir, in the city, so many hospitals.
Take mic first.
Sir, in the hospital, so many. In the city, so many hospitals are project, and all the big colleges or schools are project in city. And the people are go to for study for
City area.
studying.
Very good, very good. Listen my point. Every businessman know that if you are living in city, you are become very ill, and when you become very ill, I'll provide you facility of hospital. You go in my restaurant, eat the burger, samosa, and pizza, and also come in my hospital and take my medicines also. They know that. That's why every facility they are available. In village area, people do not become more ill. They become something bukhar, etc., fever, etc., and they also become good after some time.
Sir, you are not right.
Why? Tell. Give me the reason I am not right.
But the city people have so much money, then they go for in hospital and
Treatment.
and get the treatment from the doctor. But the people of the village not so much high money that they do not go to big hospital or good hospital.
Listen.
Only admit in district hospital.
You know, the government also provide better hospital. You know, one kind of hospital going on in Dasrat, like the name of एक मंडलीय हॉस्पिटल नेम से. This is also governmented hospital. They provide every facilities. ठीक है. हाँ, the means of every facility they are also available, and every visit go there for treatment.
But no one wants to go to
If
that hospital.
it's problem of the peoples, not problem of village and city. Understood? In city area, they take different kind of foods. They become more ill, and the businessmen also know that if I open in a village my like hospital, no one come because their people do not going to become ill every time because their air is good, their food is good, they take like green vegetables, etc. That's why they were good. But in city area, they don't want to take anything is better. They only want to take oily things every time, and they become ill and they go in the hospital. So facility need only city, not need of village. Village whatever available, they are good. That is better for them.
In the village, anyone from both.
Let's have the mics and quickly speak.
In villages, people have so much money, then they go shift in city because the environment and for the children study or they shift from village to city.
But the point is,
Quality the
you know, when I have a lot of work, it is my compulsion. ये मेरी आवश्यकता जरूरत होती है जब and the condition comes for to shift in village to city areas. It's my compulsion. When I have no any option, then after I have to go there. But no one want to left their city. No one want to left their village. For example, you know, many of people went outside for earning the money, but they also comes at their home for visiting, for walking, for like spending their times also. So I hope it's one kind of compulsion of the people who went in city for living, but most of the people only stay in the village area. And then the people become more tired while living in city. They also come in village area for walking. For example, if your mama, maternal uncle, anyone's home in village, you want to go there. I will go there for 10 and 20 days. I will live there. I will stay there. मैं अपनी जिंदगी के कुछ अच्छे दिन काट पाऊंगा after going in village areas, not in city areas.
In the city, so many visiting places are in the city, so many visiting places are present in Ayodhya, like
That's good. That's good. Listen my point. When the people have no any field, people have nothing to do, people have only job. So they have nothing to like visit. That's why this kind of places available करवाएगी. The people can go there and make themselves sometime relax. वो गांव का जो थोड़ा एक वातावरण होता है, उसे ऐसा feel हो जाए. But when the people wants to visit more, they comes in village area first. For example, a lot of temples also available like in village areas. Some places for one kind of Trishul is very big. शायद आप लोगों ने देखा होगा त्रिशूल तो बहुत बड़ा था. One temple available. We went there. Like that temple is very grateful. Like this kind of temples also. I'm not saying it is not available in city areas. Available, but that temple is very like ancient and very good temple. We went there many of time for visiting, and then we will go there. That's very relaxful place. Understood the point? So it is not there that like long place is not available. That's why the government make this kind of place for only satisfaction, not for surviving. The people go there and only make sometimes satisfaction. They come back at their job and do the work. And many of people take a suicide not comes from village area. They come from city area because they are the place where the things are not available for playing, for walking, for talking, nothing else. They visit their work and at Monday they took suicide. One day Monday को suicide day के नाम जाना जाता है. You know about it? Because the people do the works at a Sunday like last Saturday. Sunday they take some relax and Monday again go to job and they say again दोबारा job पे नहीं जाऊँ ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. Am I right? That's why the city is not good. Village is very good. We should stay in that village.
In village, so many temples are present. But my friend in villages, they want to go to Hanumankadi or town temple, but they not go to these village temples.
Because they are not aware. They're thinking about the like city areas. They think cities people is very good, but that is not very good. Understood? They want to go there only for fun, not for visiting anywhere. क्योंकि हमें अपने जो खेत की घास होती है हरी तो नहीं लगती और दूसरे जहाँ पे होता है बढ़िया लगता है. That's why people think like this. They went in the city for visiting. It's not very satisfaction. The people come from there to here and here people go there for visiting. That's not very big deal. We can visit anywhere, but the most of the peace, most of the things available in village areas, not in city. Go in village and check out. There are a lot of neighbors available. When you go in, it's one kind of movement. It's one kind of movement for the peoples. In city area, if you go, no one will talk to you. No one want to stay with you. No one wants to discuss with you. No one wants because everyone have their own jobs. But in city, in village area, if you come in evening time, then many of friends come to you for meeting. My friends come, let's go for visiting outside. They go while walking and walk morning and evening time with their friends. But in city, no one's have time.
People are villages are so drunkard. But in the people
whatever you find is sick, that's correct. But I want to make that prove that. It's the tradition comes from city areas. When they watch the movies, etc., the people drink the wines, like take a wines there, and that's why the village area they are not more aware. क्योंकि हम जो सिखा देंगे वही इंसान करना स्टार्ट करेंगे ना. तो like city people make their like wash their mind, and they also think that then we take.
Using wood legal or beer, but the people are out of beer, but like
ठीक है, but what things the people have like whatever the people can purchase, they take that first, and it's the tradition comes from the city areas, not villages. Villages only give you good traditions, but the city do not give you good traditions. They give you not they will give you not good Sanskriti, etc. But in a village area, you can go and check out everyone's are good. Everyone do their job very professionally and very good way. The village areas, people have responsibilities. If you say to anyone, I will meet you at this time, the people will come for meeting with you. But in city area, go and check out. The people say, talking, I am in the market. They are studying at the home. I listen many of people.
But the people are telling, no one, everyone is free. That's why they meet together.
That's I want to prove that. That's I want to prove that in city area no one's have a time for talking with the people. But in village, go and check out, everyone's free. They can communicate with the people. They can make their relation very better. In village areas, not in city areas. That's I want to prove that, and you also tell right now this point. Understood?
Sir, you say city.
Let's have the mic. Let's have a mic. Without mic, if you speak, that was useless.
There are hospitals for 10 kilometers in that city. Then I get treatment easily. When I saw villages people, then you cannot treatment for city hospital. You can die.
How you can say?
Very
long. No. There are lot of ambulance available, lot of like taxi available. You can go and stand on the road and you can get it right now. Everyone has bike nowadays, you know. Any listen my point. Any people can't going to die in 5 minutes. And if you want to go from here to city, you can only take 10 minutes to go. Understood? 10 minutes enough for reaching the city. Not so far from here. And the people can go there. A lot of like doctors, lot of engineers, lot of like good members comes from village area, not comes from city areas. Because if you go in foreign areas, foreign countries, you will check out there are lot of doctors working who comes from the village areas. Understood? They are more intelligent.
From there, city hospital around 10 kilometers, but when we back we went go to like Uduli or here, they from district hospital in Ayodhya.
First, listen. About you are telling about Rudauli. So I hope there are also government hospitals available. But the people comes, it's the people's own mindset. But the people comes, there are also facilities available. You know, go and check out in every like Gram Sabha. There are everything available, like a normal chikitsalaya available, a normal sachivalaya available. These are every facilities. But available now. Something if you have not like. So you know, many of heartache comes from not village areas people. Then many of जो heartache के patients होते हैं, they also come from city areas. Because listen. Go and check out on the Google. Check out how many people comes from who like got heartache, who injured by using this. The most of the people. Let me complete my point. The most of people check out comes from the only city, not comes from village. Because village have more of peace. The people have no fight. The people have no more like jealousies with the peoples. But in city, everyone have a jealousy.
People of village are more fighting than city. In morning, I was
some
in night around 10 p.m. They take liquor or gun and fighting together around 12 p.m. around 2 hours
every day fighting. But listen. This is going on only some areas. But I was good. Let me put my point first. कुछ नहीं कर.
Sir, if you are saying to me, many facilities are available in your place, but village people want to go for city.
For what? As I told you sometimes, because it's the center of their like area center. That's why. No. Like you know, one Vishwavidyalaya only available in city, like the name of our Vishwavidyalaya. Am I right? So meaning of that, it's governmented first of all, and government there the. It's a governmented or not? Government or private? Listen, because it's a center, everyone can go there. For example, I want to go in city, buy any resource, I can go there. But if you want to come from city to village area, the more resources are not available. It's a center. For example, if I draw one kind of circle here, listen my point. One circle, so still one circle. one. Listen. इसका center ये होगा फिर ये होगा. First proof. As one is center, as two is center. As one is center, na. That's why the government provides the center things.
But sir, why government provides center?
Go and check out the radius of there. Go and check out the radius. भाई वहाँ का एरिया चेक करो वो केंद्र है मतलब nothing if you पीएम बनने दो सपोर्ट करना हम बताते हैं ठीक है so point is that अच्छा हाँ let's complete कुछ लोग बिना कहीं सेटिस्फाइड कोई बात नहीं तो पॉइंट सेंटर कहने का तात्पर्य नहीं होता आप लोग मीनिंग ऑफ सेंटर समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं मीनिंग ऑफ सेंटर रेडियस मतलब अगर कोई जगह रेडियस अगर मान लो इसका 2 है, मतलब इक्वली 4 हो जाएगा। क्या हो जाएगा, अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक बात करें, यहाँ तक तो कितना हो जाएगा डिस्टेंस, 4 हो जाएगा। तो मतलब इसका आधा कर देगा, आधे में सेंटर बनाया गया, मतलब मेन केंद्र बनाया गया। क्या इस जगह पे हर लोग आ सकते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई द गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड द फैसिलिटीज ऑन दैट प्लेस, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ सिटी। आफ्टर सम टाइम the like place going to convert in city. It is a like if you talk about some days before, for example, in 10 and 20 year before, 20 and 25 year before, that's also the people living there as a village areas. हाँ, but if अगर हर जगह पे हम हॉस्पिटल बनवाना स्टार्ट करेंगे, गवर्नमेंट हैव नॉट मोर ऑफ फंड, उसे रन ऑफ कंट्री का भी करवाना है, नहीं कि हॉस्पिटल का बनवाना है। Understood? No. Like the things are very small kind of, but if you want to get a more of things, so you have to come here only. But if you have simple disease, normal disease, the things that like facilities are available also in village areas. There you can go and check out every. People are not to do that, but how to talk to someone or communicate to each other. But people are for cities are good. But let me complete my point. How they will learn? अगर मैं अच्छा बिहेव नहीं करूंगा, अच्छा नहीं बताऊंगा, अच्छा नहीं समझाऊंगा, वो कैसा से सीखेंगे। The responsibility of village peoples. The village people have to become aware and they should make them understand. You should not do like this. They are living also in village area. We should make understand children. Excuse you should not talk like this. आपको ऐसे नहीं बात करना चाहिए, आपको ऐसे बात करना चाहिए. Then the people understand. You know what is this? What is this? आपने मालूम ना इसका यूज कैसे जानोगे? नहीं जानोगे ना. First answer, it is a marker. It's used for writing on whiteboard for making understand anything. And after you will understand. That same point we have to go in village area. They should make understand the children. And then when I come from my village, many of the students go from schools, from government school, private schools in village area. They also ask me good morning, good evening, वगैरह words, because they know that I told him any single time they are using that. But the literacy rate of the city is so high compared to village. But it's but nowadays every facility going to provide in village areas. Before everything not available, people are not literate, gawar vocal. But nowadays the people going to become more intelligent. Go and check out in village area. As you told me last day, the village areas students want to make their children more intelligent. They say their children go and learn spoken English, speak English and talk in English also. Understood? Every parents here wants to मतलब अपने बच्चों को अच्छा बनाना, better बनाना in village areas. In competitive exam, I think the percentage of qualified students of let's listen. Army, force of army means of army वाले, ठीक है? The many of most of the peoples, like अगर बात करें 100, I think 70 मतलब 70 बच्चे की बात है, 70 peoples comes from only village area who go in the armies because they are strong. The city people are not more strong. They can't how? No, how many of physical treatments available in village areas to do exercise, gym, jobs, etc. And they are more like more of the more powerful people. वो हार नहीं मानते. But go in village area, say once and twice for doing anything. The people के all right नहीं होगा, आप नहीं कर सकते. But in village area इंसान हार नहीं मानता. The people start keep doing the work. अगर एक village का इंसान हार जाता है तो कितनी बार कोशिश करता है कि हार को भी हरा देता है. But go and check out in the city areas. अगर the people is going to give up once and twice and thrice, they do not do the work. कहेगा ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं. No matter. Because the city people have more calculations about doing the work. That's why I think it is not right. But in village area they have passion. They have one kind of genuine for doing the work. कुछ नहीं. जैसे आप लोगों के पास नहीं है, ठीक है?
Private hospital is open.
हाँ.
And donation for making the other hospital. But government hospital is closed. Why?
Who said to you?
Corona time.
Who said to you? First tell me. It's wrong point, na? She is telling not correct point. She want to make me gumrah. Right? Let's let me understand.
Then after that came in city.
What is she saying? आप लोग काफी अच्छा डिबेट किया. That's grateful. मुझे lift. Because the people have hand and leg. They can walk. They can run quickly. In the city area, they are more tired people.
Large building.
हाँ, so need a large building. या आप इतने फील्ड अवेलेबल कहीं तुम जाए घर बनवा लेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है? But in city there the field are not available. That's why they make out a large building. And the people, if one people go from the village in city, they do not take a lift, they go by using the stairs. But the village people, the city people come in village area, she not very lift. I want to go. Facility not. They have no more power. They have no strengthful people. Understood? I'm right. Aranya, I'm right or not right? Achha.
Right, not right.
Sir, in the city, around 19 large building. Then a person is was from state to state, then the top, then they go to top of the place around 1 hour.
You know why the people more weak? What is the reason behind of it? The people do not want to do the works. If the people go continuously by the stair, they do not become tired while going there. While going there. That's a facility. Tell me Navdev, tell me any building. But listen, there are things not available than the people using. You know, I told you sometime before, जिसकी quantity कम होगी उसकी value ज़्यादा होगी. Understood? So that's why their fields, their place are less. That's why the people value of them. अब जहाँ मान लो एक ही कोई चीज की मतलब जगह है, if a one thing available there, so I think the people more give the money who have money. For example, the last day I told you, when you go at a shop, the people give you one kind of sugar, 105 rupees kg. ज़्यादा पड़ गया क्या?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मान लेते for example. So meaning of that, if their normal kind of people will go there, they will check out what the price of this. But the people who have money, the people do not stay there. That's why in city area very expensive and village area not very expensive. It's very easy areas. That's the big reason. Because
Not
there,
expensive.
what is not expensive?
At the same.
What is same? I'm not. It's not an example. He's telling me about the buildings.
The rate of many type of vegetables or the type of the rate of village and city both like I think both the same.
How you can say? If I am coming from village, I am selling some vegetables. I will travel. I will go in city for selling my vegetables. I will take more than 2 rupees. So how can I survive my family? So means if I am living in village area, I can get in like a less money. In free way also, I will go in any field. I'll ask the scheme, give me 2 kg potato and tomato. They will give me. And free way also they can provide me.
In the city area, one mandi are project in city area, and so in the villages are daily walk only in the morning and
You know why?
And go to the mandi and the people of city are come in the mandi and
Because it's governmented. Government know that fields are not more available here. The people cannot do the work. The people are very lazy. That's why the people go from village areas to there for selling their vegetables. But there things are there more lot of things available. फिर मैंने कहा जिसकी क्वांटिटी कम होगी तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी. क्वांटिटी वहाँ ज्यादा वैल्यू that's why normal. That's the big point.
but the rate of vegetables is not expensive from village.
हाँ, because their quantity not more high. their quantity equal रहेगी ना. वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग आ गए. अब मैं अकेला का गैस सेल करने के लिए किसी मार्केट के अंदर तो वहाँ मैं अच्छी सेलिंग करूंगा ना, प्राइस हाई करूंगा. So listen. Then the thing, one flat you are going to take in 5,000 rupees and one flat in 7,000 rupees. So what will you choose first? If one flat available in 5,000 rupees and second one 7,000 rupees. So what will you choose first?
I look the quality of place.
As equal to what?
So कैसे हो सकता है?
As equal to what? अगर मतलब equal है तो आप क्या करेंगे? 7,000 रुपए देंगे? As well as 5,000. Same as the people. Equal है मैंने बताया. हाँ, condition में बताया. As equal. Lift 50 की व्यवस्था है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. 7,000? Yeah. 500 में कोई इवन के लिए अपना रूम नहीं देगा, भगा देगा तुम्हें. ठीक है, listen. The point is that she have more money, that's why she want to get 7,000 rupees. But the first the people choose 5,000 rupees. Why? Because their quantity is equal. So I will choose less. That's why in the mandi like their vegetables place available, the people take their equal quality of like vegetables. But if I sell alone, अकेले अगर मैं सेलिंग करता हूँ अपने प्राइस को हाई कर सकता हूँ. अगर मेरा फ्लैट अकेले है यहाँ पर मैं 7,000 में आपको दे सकता हूँ. And you will take it because आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. Understood? So I hope the task is going to finish. हमें task finish करना चाहिए. और मैं लूजर हो गया, आप लोग विनर हो गए। लेट्स हैव अ क्लिप फॉर योरसेल्फ। ठीक है, फाइनल करते हैं, आपके पास नॉलेज भी है, बस पॉइंट ये है कि आप सबको अपने पॉइंट्स व्यू को प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए था। तो